Hey there, Bob again from Trade Genius. 15th of December. I'm going to talk to you about a fairly new company that's public called Silvergate Capital Corporation. And what they do is they provide back end banking, regulatory compliance, settlement services for the digital currency community. And very few opportunities to trade companies that are supporting the crypto market, especially if you don't want to be owning coins. You know, the people that got rich during the 1849 gold strikes in California were the suppliers of goods and services from San Francisco to these miners. And here's a company that's doing the same thing. And it's a highly leveraged business, which means that as business comes in the door, their costs don't ratchet with the revenue, which means that it's has high operating leverage. And as somebody who used to buy companies, that is something that we always found appealing, is that you want to be able to have the infrastructure that is built in such a way that it could scale revenue without additional costs. And this is one of the companies that do so. So here's looking at it from an hourly. You can't really look at it daily. It's only been public here for about a month. And what you need to do is to dip into this thing. And people are asking me, what else could we get into here? This is one of the things that I think you might want to put a little money in, or trade in and out as it moves up and down through its linear regression channel. You know, they're digital currencies. Regardless of what you think of cryptos, digital currencies is going to happen. And so you're starting to hear rumblings. You know, you hear from the social media companies, you hear it from the governments. Things are going to move blockchain, things are going to move digital. And, the big war with cryptos is going to be around, who owns these coins, or governments or people. And you could just set that argument aside here, is because the opportunity to own something that is going to be supported for sure. You just look at all the cross-border transactions that are happening, and digital currencies are ideal for it. You're going to see a lot of cross-trade blockchain activities that are going to facilitate payments. This company will sit in the middle of those transactions. And then they have a complete suite to allow other players to plug into their system. So take a hard look at Silvergate Capital Corp. And I think this is one of those things that you'll be really pleased with in the next couple years. Thanks for listening, and have a great day. Bye-bye.